Hello and welcome. You are watching Money Time on Money9 and this is Shaurya. In next few minutes, you will get all the personal finance updates of the day. So, without any further ado, let's begin. It's the first of the week and we start Money Time today with some good piece of news. Economists have said that inflation is expected to cool down next year. And to buttress the projections, it is expected that RBI may increase repo rate by only 25 to 35 basis points on Wednesday. So, even though the rates would be increased, it may not be like previous occasions. The RBI has kicked off meeting on Monday of MPC, which is December 5. Now, RBI will make its decision on Wednesday, which is December 7. Currently, repo rate stands at 5.9%. Madan Sabhanwis, who is chief economist of Bank of Baroda, said that repo rate should peak at 6.5% next year. Home loan rates have already increased by more than 2% in last 1 year. From interest rates, we move to real estate. Property consultant JLL India has said the affordability level to buy a housing properties is estimated to fall this year. Mumbai will continue to remain the most unaffordable property market in the country, while Kolkata is expected to be most affordable property market. After Kolkata, most affordable property markets in descending order are Pune, Hyderabad, Bengaluru, Chennai and Delhi. Affordability level had continuously improved from 2013 to 2021. The best time to buy property in India was 2021. Now on to automobiles. If you are waiting to buy your dream car in the year-end sale, then this news is for you. You will be disappointed to know that car companies are unlikely to offer any discount, especially on top-selling models in December. According to media reports, companies are unlikely to offer discounts on models like Hyundai Creta, Tata Punch, Maruti's Ertiga and Brezza. While there are some cash incentives being offered on models like WagonR, Alto, Swift and Baleno, cash incentives are being offered on hatchbacks and MPVs, while there are no discounts being given on most of the sedans and SUVs. Companies are not expected to offer discounts this time around because of ongoing supply shortage of chips. So far, in 2022, most of the car companies announced price hike in the range of 3 to 5%. And on the economy front, Economic Advisory Council member Sanjeev Sanyal said India has potential to grow at a substantial rate of 9% for years to come. After the first Sherpa meeting of G20, Sanyal said India has per capita income of under 1.79 lakh rupees. If India was to increase per capita income, then it has to grow at 9% every year. In September quarter, India's GDP growth rate slowed to 6.3%. Sanyal said, despite recent global crisis, GDP growth rate has been good for India. The country continues to remain the fastest growing major economy ahead of China, which registered an economic growth of 3.9% in the same quarter. From economy to services. According to a survey conducted by S&P Global, India's service sector output growth has touched 3-month high in November 2022. The survey indicated that service sector activity in India increased for last 16 consecutive months running to November 2022. Service sector continued to promote job creation in the economy. According to Paulina De Lima, who is Economics Associate Director at S&P Global Market Intelligence, service sector is doing well because of resilient demand and expansion in new work intakes. S&P Global had included around 400 service companies in its survey. If you are working in the organized sector and your manager cuts a part of your salary for contribution in PF account, then you must listen to this news very prudently. Very soon, you will be able to claim a higher amount in your insurance policy under the government-backed ESIC scheme. Plus, government is also taking steps to add new hospitals under its network. New hospitals all around country are being constructed to provide better facilities to citizens in every nook and corner of the country. Government Social Security Body Employees State Insurance Corporation or ESIC also approved a proposal to invest in its surplus fund in the stock market through exchange traded funds or ETFs. And next on, we have news on FPIs. FPIs have turned net buyers in India's equity markets for the month of November 2022. They have bought shares worth more than 36,000 crore rupees in November. Moreover, they have started the month of December on a positive note. Anita Gandhi of Arihant Capital said, flow trajectories remain to be positive in December. investors may prefer value stocks. Kaizad Hosdar of Trust Plutus Wealth India Private Limited said cooling US inflation, sluggish crude oil prices, and expectations of slower pace rate of hike by US Federal Reserve have contributed to the positive sentiment. Let's have some more insights on FPI's inflows. Foreign portfolio investors have upgraded India as a dedicated allocation in their investment portfolios given the strong economy, stable government, and significant reforms undertaken by the government. So far, only China was kept in the dedicated allocation space. But now, India has joined its neighboring country to find place in the group. Earlier, investors had grouped India within emerging markets in their portfolio space. Anand Jatia, founder and CIO at Greenland Investment Management LLP, said investment is flowing into India's growth story. Winding up with IPO update. Two of the companies recently threw some lights on their plans to bring their respective IPOs. Wires, cables and fast-moving electric goods manufacturer RR Cable has said that it is aimed to bring the IPO in the third quarter of 2023-24. The FMEG player will file preliminary papers with SEBI in the May next year. RR Cable is a part of RR Global. It is backed by TPG Capital. Its MD and Group President Sri Gopal Kabra said the firm is all set to clock revenues of around 6,000 crore rupees in the current financial year. The company has aimed to increase its revenue twofold in next 3 years. Next, realty firm Signature Global Limited said it aims to bring its 1,000 crore rupees IPO by end of current month. The Delhi NCR based Signature Global mainly focuses on affordable housing segment of the country. Well, that's it for today. Hope you liked this news and find it insightful. Now, if you want more such content, you can follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram and YouTube, and you can also download our app from the Play Store.